students, now I'm going to start question number 2 of exercise 8.1. Now question number 2 says, in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. That means for 6 students 3 computers are there. We have to find that how many computers will be needed for 24 students. Okay, so this we will be finding by unitary method, and in unitary method we find for 1. Like here we have 3 computers for 6 students, so here we have to find the computer. So we'll write for 6 students computers needed is 3. Here we have to find the number of computers, so computers will be on the right side. Okay, now we will have to find for 1 student. So for 1 students computers needed will be 3 by 6. This will go down. Okay, now we will have to find for 24 students. So when we know the value of 1 and we have to find for more than 1. When we find for 1, it's division, and when we know the value of 1, okay. So here if you want to solve this part you can solve, but we haven't solved this part, we just keep this as it is. Okay, so when you know the value of 1 and you have to find for more than 1, it's multiplication. So for 24 students computer needed will be 3 by 6 multiplied by 24. Now here this 24 comes in 6 tables, so 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 12. So if you multiply the numerator, 3 fours are 12. So for 24 students 12 computers will be needed. So here what we have observed that in unitary method whatever we have to find, like in this case we had to find the number of computers, so number of computers will be on the right side, and at first we will find for 1, and whenever we will find for 1, it's whatever you are finding. When you find for 1, then it's division, and when you find for more than 1, it's multiplication. Okay, so in unitary method we will find for 1's value, and then we will find according to the question. Like here in this case we had to find the number computers needed for 24 students, so at first we had to find for 1 student, and then we got the number of computers for 24 students. Okay, so this was all about number 2. Now coming to question number 3. Now question number 3 says population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs and population of UP is 1660 lakhs. And area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer square and area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square. So here we have been given the population and area of these two states. So in the first part, what you have to do, in the first part we have how many people are there per kilometer square in both these states. This means we will have to find per kilometer means 1 kilometer. In how many people are there in 1 square kilometer in both these states. Let us find the number of people for Rajasthan at first. So for Rajasthan, population is 570 lakhs and area is 3 lakh kilometer square, and we have to find the number of people are there per kilometer square. Per means in 1 kilometer square how many people. Now 1 kilometer square means, suppose this is 1 kilometer. If you make a square, this is 1 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer, then this is 1 kilometer. So this is 1 kilometer square area. So here we have been given the population of Rajasthan is 570 lakh in 3 lakh kilometer square. Means area is 3 lakh kilometer square, and in this area how many people lives? 570 lakh. So population in 3 lakh kilometer square, in this area how many people lives? 570 lakh. and we have to find per kilometer square, means how many people lives in 1 kilometer square. Now population in 1 kilometer square. So when we find the value for 1, it's division. So whatever is there on the left, it will come to the denominator. Okay, so it will be 570 lakh divided by 3 lakh. Now lakh will be cancelled. Now 50, if you divide 57 by 3, then you will get 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 will come down, so 3 19s are 27. So 3 19s are 57 and there is 1 0, so it is 190 people. So 190 people are there in 1 kilometer square, okay, in Rajasthan. Now we will find the number of people in UP. So we'll write for UP. The area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square, okay. So we will have to find the number of people live in UP per kilometer square, means in 1 kilometer square how many people are there. So in UP 2 kilometer square, population in 2 kilometer square, means in this area 2 kilometer square how many people live, it's 1660 lakh, okay. So population in 2 lakh kilometer square will be 1660 lakh. We will have to find the population in 1 kilometer square, so which is 2 lakh should be in the denominator, because since we are finding for 1, so it's division, so the one which is on the right, it will come to the numerator, okay. So it's 1660 lakh and the one which is there on the left will come to the denominator, so it's 2 lakh. Now lakh will be cancelled. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 and 0 will remain same, so it's 830 people. So the population or the number of people in per kilometer square in UP are 830, okay. Now in the next part we have which state is less populated. Now here what we have got, that in 1 kilometer square, that means in this area how many people are there, 190 people are there in Rajasthan, okay. And in the same area 1 kilometer square, okay, in 1 kilometer square 830 people are there in UP. So it's very easy to say that which state is less populated. So here we can see that in Rajasthan less number of people are there in 1 kilometer square. So we will write Rajasthan is less populated, okay. So this was question number 3. Thank you, students.